Google Play Store can't install app, problem solve it. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is click on the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now go to the Google Play Store app. From here, this is the app informations page. All what you have to do on this page is very simple and easy. First thing, click on the permissions right here, and now make sure that all the permissions are enabled. As you can see, after you enable all the permissions, now go back, click on the force stop from here, and after that you have to go to the storage option right here, click on it, and then click on clear data. After you click on clear data, all these apps data will be deleted, includes files, settings, accounts, databases. Click delete, and that's it. Now all what you have to do is reopen Play Store and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.